Yay! Hello everybody. Final flip through the journal. Okay, there was one thing I'd done. Oh, I know. Yeah, I just added this ribbon. It's sort of like, I think it was gifted to me, music ribbon along there because it just fit perfectly. So it hid the stitches. Okay, and as you know, that's the toppers we made a long time ago. Junk in a trunk, and here's the back. Okay, and this has been not Mod Podge, but I put a sealer on it. Okay, so it can be white clean because I don't normally go for the light cover. Oh, it scares me because, as you know, I'm a bit of a mucky pup. Yeah, so that's the front, and there's a tutorial on how I done these, and it's all in the description box. Oh, I'm gonna get myself in a knot now. There we go. Okay, sorry, ribbon closure. So you've seen most of what I've done here. All I've done was put that ribbon on the back and sewn round a few of the tags. Okay, added that tag. Remember, I took it out there and I thought, oh, I'll find somewhere for it to go. So there's that tag. I thought I'd go there. Okay, quite stufful, these two, but there's, you know, there's room on it. Yeah, a little bit big, but not too bad. And it still, you know, lies lovely and flat. So that's all that worries me. Maybe a little bit, you know, on the back pages here, but it's still doable. But as for most of that, it's all quite flat. I haven't defluffed yet. Right, so that's that. And oh, what did I do here? Oh, that I had added this because that was lying around. So I just put a little tab on the front, put my name on there. And that went in there. I think what it was, because I'm so used to having a tag here with lots of fluff, I didn't have any. And yet I still loved the layout of everything. So I just thought, oh, I'll add that and then that'll make me feel better. And I just stitched around all these and put book belongs to on there. So I stitched around there. I won't get everything out because you've seen me. That's just a piece of paper that I liked. And I popped that in and just made a little booklet out of it. Okay, and stitch around that one as well. Just inked up everything. Made sure it was all coffee stained. It's there. And seen all that. I haven't added anything new, but just put that on there. I thought that could hang over there. There's that one there. Oh, and I replaced all the paper clips to the oh my gosh, rusty ones. Can't get my words out today. I really love that bit of paper. That is just beautiful. It's lovely. There's there. I want to stitch around that big one there. It's a bit of a collage on a pocket there. I think it's different there. Oh, and added a few quotes here and there, but not too many, just here and there. Is that one there? Let's see me do that. Where is that going? Why is it on there? Oh, I know. Let's stop it falling out of there. There we go. I'm going to place that, just sticking out a bit, I think, and then put that in there. And then that fills that page. One of my specimen cards. And that's the page where I gessoed over the top because I felt it was a little bit too dark, and then put that there. So then now you can write over that quite easily. So that's just a little bit. There's that one there. The quote I put in there. and backed all these. I didn't back these because they were all coffee stained and they look quite nice, so I just stitched around them just to give them a bit of something. That's from Fern and Mushroom Kit. And that's that big pocket that we done right at the beginning. Okay, it just, like I say, it just slips over that page there. Yeah. And all it is an envelope. There you go. Envelope, and then make a bit of journaling spot as well. And you get all this stuff in it. Quite a lot. So I put that, slip that on there. Okay, so it looks like that at the moment. And those 2 pages go in the front, like that. And these go behind. Just in my way a minute. And that goes there. Then made a nice big journaling card out of that bit of paper. Okay, just tucks under there. Seems to lie quite flat. Sometimes I will put a paper clip in there. Actually, I will, shall I? But it seems to be when the book's closed, it's fine. It doesn't really fall out, so it's fine. There's 2 cards there. Centre of the signature. And a card there. These ones I done last year, and that. Let's put a little ticket there. So yeah, very nature themed, which, as you know, I love my nature. And just, again, I put the Tim Holtz little clip there to keep that nicely in. And put some stitching around that one. Added some fibres on that one, and that was already stitched around. So I did a little quote there, so I thought it went quite well. Oh, I did a little flower here. Those rub-ons, which wouldn't rub on. So I actually glued down the plastic, all right, and then I Mod Podge over it, matte Mod Podge, just to sort of try and matte it out a bit. The hair there. Not one of mine, actually. It looked like one I brought in from the cat there. Because I'm not dark and fluffy. And grey. And just, that one rubbed off all right on that one. That one worked, but when I tried to do it again, it wouldn't work. I was supposed to put them back in the freezer, actually, rub-ons, and then it's supposed to help. But I haven't done that, have I? So there's that with the envelope there. I mean, even these belly bands that look good, collaged up, nothing wrong with that. Yeah, and there's one of those. I've done these last year as well. Early ones in Junk in the Trunk, that one. And I put one of my Diddy ones on. I shrunk down, cut out and done, so that looks quite sweet. And then that's that page there. It opens out, nice pocket here. Nice, another bit of lined paper, journaling card. and a little, that's actually authentic, but I've scanned it, that one. Yeah, that needs to be inked up, so, and stitched around. I haven't done that yet. Let's put that there. I'll do that after. I thought, oh, I was doing really well, I haven't forgotten anything, but one journaling card, which not too bad, is it? Let's put that there. That's that. So I've just put these in because I thought when you could, you know, find a place for them to go and sort of change it around. And there. I just think it's, you know, because I've put quite a lot in my journals, if you take it all out, this would be so manageable, you know, and then you stick them in as you're doing things, and it's quite nice because you might find other places for them to go, which is lovely, you know, once you've wrote in it and everything. There's that one. It's a sort of double one as well. That belongs to my house. Electric supply card. I made a copy of it ages ago, and then I've actually give that to, it's in the museum here. So, yeah, that belongs to my house. Don't think it says. I knocked the address out actually. But, just a bit of lined paper. And that's in that big pocket back there. There we go. So that's it. That's that series over with. Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it. Thoroughly enjoyed going back to nature. This is my favourite topic anyway, so there we go. Well, thank you very much for all your wonderful comments. Oh my gosh, I mean, yeah, I did have a little scare on one of them there, but like I say, at least we solved it. And thank you very much for carrying on with, you know, watching and commenting. It's just wonderful. Thank you, and see you again soon. Bye.